how you can clean your ear speaker on iPhone. I'm using only tools which you can find at home. As you can see, mine is pretty muffled and I want to clean it. So first thing I'm gonna do, just grab some plastic thing and brush the area of the speaker. Now I want to grab wet towel or wet paper towel. Make sure that it's not that wet. And I want to brush also the speaker. You can do it also with that plastic thing or with that thing which you are using to brush that speaker. Make sure to brush all the sides or all the parts of that speaker, all corners of that, because there is the dirt. Now make sure to dry it. And now after this quick fix, it should be better. If you want the perfect result, you can use isopropyl alcohol and brush this speaker, but I don't have it at home, so you can order it and then use it. This is just the quick emergency tutorial. Before I did this, I could barely hear someone on the phone. It's not perfect, but it's gonna help. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.